Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ka limpungi lekai jong ka second Northeast Olympic Game arjar puar kabala long ha ka nong ba shilong kala poino sya ka bakut aka khadriu trik unai wieng arjar puar bat ka Jylla Manipur kala yo ra e kanam kum ka overall champion da ka bat biang ye kanam ladu kabala yo hausnam arjar ka pra ha ka sipen kod ye kani ka limpungi lekai ka Manipur kala yo khor prapu pratali kitak maksiar nyopusan tali kitak marupa bat nyopunyo tali kitak marnong Kadba ka Jylla Assam, kabawan Baar kalayo khor nyop khundai tali kitak maksiar, hnriu puwai tali kitak marupa, bat hnriu pulai tali kitak marnong. Ka Jylla Arunachal Pradesh, kabala poi haka kardan kabalai, kalayo khor lai khundai tali kitak maksiar, lai hnriu tali kitak marupa, bat lai phnyo tali kitak marnong. Ka Jylla Meghalaya kabala long ka Jylla kabayo alat ban pelong ya kani ka limpungi lekai kalayo khor lai pun ritli kitak maksiar lai pusan tali kitak marupa bat nyopo pratli kitak marnong ha ka jingpen kot ya kani ka limpungi lekai la sakhilang da menteri rangba ka Jylla u Konrad Kongkal Sangma u menteri ka Tanat Sports and Youth Affair u ba Bantai Dor Lingdo ki menteri sarkar ki MLA u Chief Secretary ka Jylla u ba Donald P. Walang ki He Officer lembat u Secretary General jongka Northeast Olympic Association u ba John F. Kharshieng. Shuaban penkot ikani ka limpung ilekai u ba John F. Kharshieng ula IT ya kalama jongka Northeast Olympic Game sha u Chef di Mission jongka Nagaland Unil Yali Anggame ka Jylla ka Bansayola dan pelong ya ka Northeast Olympic Game ha ka Samoy ka Banwan.
Friends, it was just about a week ago that I had the opportunity to address you during the opening ceremony of the second edition of the Northeast Olympic Games. All of us were excited about the various sporting events that we hoped to see, and the games have been resounding success. I congratulate each and every one of the athletes, the coaches, the support staff that have tested their limits and seen how far they can fly. Every team should be proud of what they have achieved, and I commend their hard work. I would also like to congratulate the three highest medal winning states, Manipur, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh.
Of the second Northeast Olympics 2022. From the arrangements that have been made by the different officials and the different departments and the different teams that have made this games possible, I would also like to congratulate the athletes and the sports person. But we have also seen that the athletes and sports person of the Northeast have performed exceptionally well. So many states have done so well in these games. I had the opportunity to watch the women's basketball final yesterday between Sikkim and Meghalaya. And I can tell you, the kind of standard that I saw yesterday in these games can be seen and be matched with any national and international players. It was completely out of this world. And so not only have we managed to increase the overall standards of the infrastructure and logistics, but we have also seen that the athletes have raised the bar. You have performed exceptionally well. I watched the football final today of the men's football final between Mizoram and Meghalaya. What a game it was. The way the players were playing, the level. That's what we should all be proud of today. And this games, if the most satisfying thing for me is to be able to see this kind of talent come out today, it makes me proud to be a person from the Northeast. It makes me proud to see the talent that our youth have today. It makes me proud to see that even small states and states from Northeast can organize games and events that are comparable to any other national games or national events taking place in any other part of this country. It is a celebration of the youth of the Northeast. That's the first thing I see. We are here to celebrate you. We are here to celebrate the youth. We are here to invest in the youth. You are at the center of what we want to do for the future of our state, our region, and our country. We are here to celebrate sports. Sports is something that is beyond just games. It's a way of life. And we want to promote and celebrate sports. And third, and very important, is we are here to celebrate the Northeast, the different cultures that we have. It was so wonderful to see so many of our brothers and sisters from so many different parts of the Northeast coming together, being part of this tournament and celebrating our separate cultures. Every time I went to any of the games, I could see that pride, I could see that entire the pride of the Northeast come out in every single state and every single fan.
flag of the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, which will be handed over to the Commissioner and Secretary of Sports and Youth Affairs.
There's a downfall feeling, the weight is in the air. Maybe I can't, I'm speaking to myself.
The flag of the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs will be handed over to the Commissioner and Secretary, Sports and Youth Affairs, Dr. Vijay Kumar, IAS. And the flag of the Northeast Olympics will be handed over to the President of the MSOA, who will then hand it over to the Chief Dimission of Nagaland, N. Angami.
Dear friends, I take this opportunity to once again thank each and every one of you, and at the same time I would like to declare the second Northeast Olympics 2022 as closed. Thank you.